Hello, everyone. So, this question on the community from Pete is interesting because what Pete is looking for in Jira, of course, we have this issue navigator where we can, of course, display the list of issues. We can search for the issues and you will get a list. Now, the requirement here is that let us say if the issues are created 7 days ago, then somehow flag them or show them with a red color somewhere. Now there used to be, I guess, an app. I forgot the name of the app. I've used it in the past that was able to format or do some conditional formatting on the issues in the issue navigator. If I remember correctly, it was I think a long time back. And you can of course use Scriptuna for Jira, right? Which is of course a possibility, but of course, using Scriptner to insert a custom CSS or JavaScript is probably a bit too much. My recommendation and my preference would be to use an app like EasyBI. Now, EasyBI is, of course, a wonderful app for reporting, but of course, you can simply display a list of issues, which I have shown. Now, when you're looking at the list of issues, you can also display them in a different color based on those specific conditions, like dates, or if the issue age is more than 7 days. So I have covered by the way I've covered few examples. I made videos on EasyBI. Now if you look at this particular table or a grid, we have the conditional formatting here, right? So something like this, which is in red color, is something that you have to be you should probably worry about, but it can be done. So this is something that EasyBI can do easily because it is an easy app to use, but at the same time it has a lot of flexibility. It is not, of course, super. I mean, it is an easy app, but there is a learning curve, and that is why I have made videos on EasyBI, and I'll of course make more videos. I just don't really get a lot of time to talk about a lot of things, wonderful things that you can do with EasyBI because you have to spend some time. I want to first build few reports for you so that I can show you. I mean, I've already shown like few reports, different types of reports, but I'll probably make more and I'll definitely share it. But to answer this question, yes, using an app like EasyBI or in fact any other reporting app. I think usually most of the reporting apps they have this capability of conditional formatting. So my recommendation, and because of my experience, I have a lot of experience using EasyBI. I always prefer an app that gives you this ability to develop something like Scriptuna, EasyBI. You can actually take it further. So there is no limit of there are no limits on the use cases or business logic that you can implement. So endless possibilities with these apps, and that is why I love using these apps. EasyBI, Scriptuna. These are probably one of my. I think when you have these two apps, you can actually do a lot of wonderful things with your Jira instance. And that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.